imagine that every kid people stop and congratulate. Then they just treat you like you're Amish. Sure, well, that's one way to live your life. Can you build us one of those wooden fireplaces? For kids. For kids. You want to know what it's like to have four? Just imagine you're drowning. And I was my wife's birth coach, which is a generous title for standing there terrified. There was also a midwife there, because we believe in witchcraft. Hostage negotiation, but in reverse. Look, if you stay in there, I will give you whatever you want. I will meet your demands. What do you want, a helicopter to Cuba? Anything. Just stay in there. There's always one way to figure out what makes Disney truly magical, though. You can walk around sweating your ass off for 12 hours and still gain weight. I know it's 110 out here, but these fries taste great. We eat, because we want to have a good time. Really, that's all a vacation is. Just us eating in a place we've never been. Oh, why don't we eat something, then we'll go and get something to eat. We'll see that thing we're supposed to see. They probably got a snack bar there, right? After that, we should probably get something. There's some thin people at my gym. I saw this one woman, she was so thin you could actually see her ribs. And all I could think was, I haven't lived forever. And those are delicioso. I reference McDonald's a lot because I go to McDonald's. I love the silence that follows that statement. Like I just admitted to support dog fighting or something. How could you? McDonald's? It's fun telling people you go to McDonald's. They always give you that look like, oh, I didn't know I was better than you. No one admits to going to McDonald's. It's those 6 billion hamburgers a day. There's only 300 million people in this country. So I'm not a calculus